Does wheel spacers brand matter?
If you are going to get the wheel spacers, you are better to go with a trusted brand to start with and look for quality, durable materials. If you haven't found the spacers you like, maybe you can consider this BONOSS wheel spacer, because safety and quality are always the focus of BONOSS. BONOSS has been designing and manufacturing wheel spacers since 2007. Professional production experience and excellent product quality makes us confident to provide a super long warranty survive up to 10 years.
If you want to get the BONOSS wheel spacers, please make sure to see the link down on the description. Thanks for watching and have a great day.